Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going into a battle right now. We got uh one of the best players right now. We got Nutmint. Yeah, one of the best. So I think we're cooked. Oh my gosh, bro. Yeah, I think we're actually cooked, guys. I'm not even that good at the game. And we're literally fighting one of the best players and mobile. Like, that doesn't really be fair since I know I got super fast healing, but they can use macro, so we gotta be careful right now, guys. Alright, bro. Yeah, my teams are actually cooked. Why did they come there, bro? Just go to the base. Nah, we're cooked. We're actually cooked, guys. So I'm actually laggy right now, bro. Oh, bro, how am I gonna win this? If we actually wanna win this, we need to have skill right now. We need skill, guys. We need skill. We need to kill players. Hell no, bro. I'm not giving you loot. Hell no. Guys, put all the turrets here so when they break in over there, like here guys, when they break in here or weaker parts, they will try to kill us, right? So because I actually rage bait, I mean not rage bait actually, and here base wait right here, bro. So I said scared bad and showed a picture. Hey yo, wait, delete that message, bro. Delete this message. Oh my gosh. Right guys, we deleted the evidence. Nobody see that. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Alright guys. So if really, so I said scared bad and he sent a private server and I didn't join. And he said come on and he said pussy don't talk. I thought not remember, I'm joking. Scared and I was kidding. I was scared I'm coming to radio, so I don't really know if you're cooked, guys. Yeah, I'm actually sad right now since I grinded like 2 hours just I meant like 3 hours just to get to this, and we're actually getting cooked right now. This is actually unfair. Wait. We need to help our teammates, right? Actually, bro, I think we can handle Mint. I think Mint is the most best PvP player, but I'm not really sure. And is that Mint? Wait, let me just look right now. Wait, is that Mint? Wait, but it's Black Mango. But it's Black Mango. Bro, I thought it was Mint, bro. Bro. Right, guys, we killed him. Bro, open it! Bro, why did you put the ice? Wait, that's the ability from the ice crown. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, bro. It's actually crazy. We're getting hunted by players. Bro. Yeah, we can't win this. I'm just gonna accept my fate. Wait. Oh. They're not actually top 1. Oh, they're top 2 in points. Bro, actually, bro. I think I'm not even on this top, bro. It's not actually top in the clan. I think, bro, do we have 0 points? Oh yeah, we're only 2 people. It's me and tax, the tax collector. This is the tax collector right now, guys. Well, we didn't upgrade this. Oh my gosh, bro, I'm actually gonna get broke. Bro, I can't upgrade this. If I upgrade this right now, guys, I'm gonna become 5 millionaire. 5 million. And that's small, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, I can't think. What am I gonna do? What if they come right now? Like, bro. Like, bro, when are they gonna come? Bro, are they scaredy cats? Right, never mind, because if Mint see this video right now, guys, I think we're cooked. Oh my gosh, bro, open it. Oh my gosh. Make a freaking wall, bro. Get out of here. Try to make a wall so we don't die. Wait. Yeah. Attack, guys. My gosh, bro. Gosh, wait, bro. Actually getting cooked. Oh my gosh. Gosh, bro, we gotta run. Bro, we gotta run fast, bro, fast. Bro, what are you doing? Bro, fast, bro, fast. What are you fucking doing, bro? Bro, open this freaking door. Bro, our teammates need to enter or they're gonna die. Bro. Bro, we can take this fight. Even I popped mints. Oh, bro. Oh, hella. Go. Go, fast. Bro, we gotta run right now, bro. Bro, what the... Bro, my teammates are so stupid, are so dumb right now, bro. Bro, we can't take them on. They're just too strong. I maybe popped not Phoenix. I popped Mint's Phoenix right now, guys. W. We need more. Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, just take that rock. Bro, why do you need that much? Oh yeah, I could give. What the hell? Oh yeah, I'm the one who give it. Yeah, never mind. Oh hell nah. They're penetrating through it. Wait. What is a lot? Bro. What the hell is bro doing? Bro, it's Zeno right now, bro. Zeno is trying to auto farming. Bro, Zeno, chill, bro. Bro, where are you hiding? Oh my gosh, bro. That is so annoying. Oh my gosh. What the hell, bro? Zeno trying to auto farming. But bro, they didn't. Bro, why is Mint? Oh hell nah. Mint is shooting. Alright, go. Oh yeah, wait. Bro, why is my aim so trash? Go. What? Bro. Oh no. Wait, I think never mind. Bro, I thought I could take this. Bro. Wait. Oh yeah. I thought Mikio and Xenos Phoenix was popped, but when I realized, oh hell no, I'm running away. I repeat. Go back, guys. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm lagging. Wait, what? No. No freaking way, bro. Bro, go back to cave. I'll give wood. Wood. Alright guys, we're gonna loot them up. Need this extreme, bro. Yeah, loot up, bro. Oh no. Bro, get the freaking out of here. Bro, what the hell? Oh my gosh. You gotta be serious right now, bro. We're trying to protect our base. I think we're cooked. Wait, let me look. Oh hell no! You penetrate it. Oh my gosh, bro! Bro, I thought I was gonna die right there. Since I was lagging. my gosh. Bro, Phoenix, run away, bro. Bro, we're getting hit with that. Bro, this is the a hit and run, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, get the freaking out of here, Phoenix. Bro, I swear, Phoenix, I'm actually gonna kill you right now, bro, if you don't get out. Oh my gosh. Oh, bro, come on, Phoenix, stop it. Oh my gosh. Where the heck? Wow. Right, guys, we're losing. Yeah, we're actually losing. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're actually losing right now. Wait, let me look at my. Oh, not 21 minutes. Oh no, bro, I'm gonna be laggy right now. I already lagged. Wait, let me. Bruh. Are you serious right now? Let's go. Oh, what the heck? Oh, hell na. Come on. Oh my gosh, bro. Wait. Bro, W Pro, bro. Wait, where's the others? What? I think they're grinding right now. Oh my gosh, bro. They're not grinding, they're killing people. Bro, attack. Haya. Bro, we need to hit this one. Bro, we need to do a hit and run, bro. Hit and run. We need to do a hit and run, bro. Oh my gosh. Bro got popped quickly. Bro, actually, this is a pro move right now, guys. Be sure like and subscribe. It's a pro move. Wait, let me just do something. I'm gonna be right back in the cave. Let me do something in the cave. Let me just look around. Wait, how much money do we have right now? I think I'm gonna save up for a clan right now, guys. Or never mind. Ooh, we got 1 million right now, guys. W. Oh my gosh, bro. Right, let's look, guys, again. Right, let's look. What's happening right now, guys? Is everything good? I think, bro, I think nothing is good right now. We're getting cooked. Wait. Can we actually ambush them? Bro, I didn't even bomb. Bro, you're not you are not gonna win, bro. You are not gonna win. We're just too good for you. Bro, W. Oh my gosh, bro. Wait. Bro, what the hell? Bro, actually, what are W shooters? Bro, shoot more, bro. You're such a W. Yay. Bro, actually, nah, I'm not scared anymore. Bro, I'm actually scared now. Bro, why are you spamming to infill? Brother. Come on, dude. To do a hit and run, right? Oh my gosh, bro. Retreat. Bro, we need to retreat right now. Oh, we need to actually retreat. Bro, actually retreat right now. Bro, retreat guys, retreat guys, retreat. We're actually cooked. Oh my gosh, bro. Bro's exploding. Bro, exploding us. Bro, Pro is actually Pro is actually him right now. Those are a farming. But someone with that aura needs a race. Okay. Oh my gosh, bro, why can't I see them? Never mind, bro. Oh my gosh. So that was actually crazy. I almost died because of that. Wait, what's my ping right now? Holy bro. Bro, we're on 200 ping right now, bro. Well, I'm using VPN. It's actually lagging so much. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Bro, should we help our teammates right now, guys? I think we shouldn't. We need to look at our ping always. If it goes above 200, we run. Yeah. Eh, you need to turn on hitbox. I'm actually confused. Oh, hell na. Wait, what? Alright, never mind, bro. Hitbox trash. Oh my gosh. Bro, actually, bro. We killed Zeno right now, guys. So, the next is the other one. Mint and Mikio and other. So, we're gonna be third. Oh my gosh, bro, Mint is attacking us, guys. Oh my gosh. Bro, attack Mint. So this is just unholy, bro. Alright, bro. GG's. Bro. Actually, Mint is #1 player. I can't lie. Alright, guys. So, we have done our video right now, guys. So, we're gonna see you in the another video, and please like and subscribe since I died to Mint and I'm actually sad right now. So, bye.